Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the adjustable tine row in a Whirlpool dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a pair of new adjustable tine rows. The adjustable tine row allows for the maximum utilization of the upper dish rack space. There are two of them installed on the upper dish rack. The main reason why the adjustable tine row would need to be replaced is if it gets corroded, causing rusty spots on otherwise perfectly shiny dishes. Open the door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press the tab and remove the dish rack stop. Repeat the procedure on the other side. Slide out the upper dish rack and place it on a workable surface bottom up. Hold the tine row pivot at the end with the hook and push down the locking tab with your finger. Remove the tine row pivot. Repeat the procedure and remove the second pivot. Remove the adjustable tine row. This is the old adjustable tine row next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Hold the new adjustable tine row with one hand. Install the tine row pivot so the groove locks over the adjustable tine row and rotate it so the hooks are positioned over the wire. Then snap the locking tab over the cross wire. Repeat this procedure and install the second tine row pivot. Repeat the procedure and remove the second adjustable tine row. And again, repeat the procedure and install the second adjustable tine row. Slide in the upper dish rack. Install both dish rack stops. Close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.